In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on TikTok. So once you are creating your TikTok account, TikTok asks you for your birthday. Now you have entered the wrong birthday or whatever. The first step is that you actually create a new account and enter the correct birthday that it asks you. And the second thing you can do is open up your browser. You want to type in TikTok support. From there, click on share your feedback. Type in your email address, username, topic and how you can help, and then just say, hey, I entered the wrong birthday, can you please help me change it, thanks. And then send them that and they will be able to help you to do it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.